Hi, my name is Tine Kolenik and I'm going to show you how to set up a track to record a MIDI instrument. My DAW is Reaper, but the process should be similar in any other DAW. First, we've got to set up our track. We can set up our project sample rate by clicking on File and then Project Settings. Once there, we set our project sample rate to 48,000 Hz. Then, we set our buffer size. Reaper calls it block size, but it's essentially the same. We go to Options and then to Preferences. Once there, we go to Device, which is under Audio. We can set our buffer size in the Request Block Size section. Since we're recording MIDI and not audio, we don't have to make sure that we're recording in an uncompressed format. Now that we have that set, we make a right click in the track panel that is on the left and click Insert New Track. We get a new track that we have to set up to be able to record MIDI. First, we must select our input. We left click on it and select Input MIDI, then Virtual MIDI Keyboard and then All Channels. This is really cool if you don't own a MIDI controller yet. I have an AKAI MPK49, but since not everyone has a MIDI controller, I'm doing this in a way so everyone can record MIDI. Then, we summon up our Virtual MIDI Keyboard. The easiest way is to click the shortcut Alt+B. As we can see, there is now a keyboard on our screen. Now, we have to select our software instrument so that the keyboard will be triggering sounds. We click the FX button on our track, which opens up our effects and VST library. For the purposes of this assignment, I'm going to use a free VST called Chimera, which you can easily get off the web for free. So, I find Chimera, click on it and click OK. This opens VST's user interface, where we select a certain module. I choose the Era of Chimes. Now that this has been taken care of, we can close the FX window. Now, we click on the record button on the track to arm it. To hear the sounds that we'll be playing, we click the record monitoring button and set it to on. Now we're all set. Start playing the keyboard and you'll hear sounds. You should hear something like this. To record your sounds, simply click on the record button and you're off. Again, this is what I recorded. I'll also show you how to set up a click track to play to. Create a new track, then click on Insert and then click Source. You can set its duration by pulling it left or right. You can set the bits per minute and bits per measure by right-clicking on the track and clicking on Source Properties. That's it. You should hear something like this. Thank you for watching and I hope you'll be able to record MIDI by following my instructions. Hi, my name is Tine Kolenik.